Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the apartment. So in my last video, I gave you guys my apartment tour. I showed you guys my studio apartment in LA. I showed you guys the apartment in its normal state, where it's currently at. And also thank you so much for your feedback on that video. You guys had the nicest comments, and you guys also had the best ideas for what I can continue to contribute and add to this small layout. But that leads me to today's video. It has to do with my apartment again. It actually was very requested on my apartment tour video, and that was decorating my apartment for fall. As you guys know, I moved to LA. I'm a broken record. I moved to LA, I live in a studio, I moved to LA. For those of you guys that are just popping in, you haven't seen me in a while, I moved to LA, I live in a studio, and I downsized. This apartment theme is very summery. It's very 80s postmodern, tacky Miami, retro, colorful, and comfy. But it is fall. We are in the middle of September, and I am trying to make it feel like fall in here because, as you guys know, it does not give fall outside. That's the one downside about living in LA. However, being out in LA, I can bring my East Coast here to this apartment, if you know what I mean. Also, please ignore this horrible burn on my arm. I'm literally a klutz. Band-aids literally don't stick on this, so there's no point in trying to cover it up. I literally dropped my straightener on my arm. This is the clamp. It went over. Ow! I don't know, I have battle wounds from getting ready in the morning, so I just have to disclaim that because it looks really weird.
I'm a bitch with a backstory.
So yeah. I've been dying to make this video, and also my girlfriend Jules has been dying to go with me to Target and go fall shopping. This is a long-awaited video for me and for Jules, and today we are going to Target to go fall 2024 shopping. We love fall in this apartment. Me and my girlfriend are obsessed. We've been burning this autumn harvest candle since July in this apartment, and perfect timing, it literally burned out last night. As far as my Halloween decor taste goes, I feel like I want to go with the fun, funky vibes in here and keep it colorful. I know that there's the white pumpkin aesthetic, and there's the naturey, earthy fall leaves aesthetic, and then there's the purple orange aesthetic. I think that this apartment is gonna have a lot of orange. I would love to add more orange. I also saw a TikTok of old Halloween decor aesthetic where everything just looks like vintage Halloween decorations, and I'll have it pop up right here. Target is always on trend, so maybe they're selling vintage looking Halloween decorations. Maybe that could be really cute in here since this is a thrifted apartment. So we'll see what I find, and I'll bring you guys with. Okay, so I decided to come on a Saturday in a city in LA, and it's literally packed. And I'm getting overstimulated, but we got this. There is a lot of cute decorations. I love these. Kind of want to buy these. Dude, I want this. Little disco spider. It's giving coffee table. All of this from the dollar section. Fuck yeah, Target. Oh, we've been dying for flannel fall pajamas.
I'm getting these.
I want some too. Oh, we're gonna match.
Yeah, they have pockets.
Oh my god, these are so cute. Okay, adding to cart.
Absolutely.
Target literally does something with serotonin in your brain. This is the cutest, but I don't feel like I'd wear baby blue around fall. I feel like I want to wear black. We're sending our cart off. We hope nothing spills. And that's a city Target. Here we are, the home section. Oh my god, look at this section. Not the emo Christmas tree. Nightmare Before Christmas. Oh, someone just threw that at us. Got some little kids messing with us. Why do I love this? Guys, we have a wall across from our balcony that we want to project on. Oh my god, we're gonna get this. It's rowdy in here. Oh my god, look at these. Do I do hot pink or orange? Ooh, maybe both. Look how stuffed this cart is. These are cool candles. I look at disco orchard, flannels and bonfires. I like how this looks. Midnight medley.
It smells like a guy.
Adding to cart. Look at this cart, guys. She's colorful. And that's a wrap, guys. Wow. Okay, time to check out. We look so obnoxious. This video is just gonna be filled with hauls. Not only am I shopping for my apartment, but I also did a little fall clothing haul that I wanted to squeeze into this video because this all matters when changing season. So this outfit I'm currently wearing is so comfortable and it's very, very Halloween. It's like black, it looks like a cat suit. This is from Fashion Nova and everything else I bought is from Fashion Nova. We got the fall color palette. So the first thing I want to show you guys is this leopard bag that actually I've been using on social media and a lot of you guys have been asking where I got it from. This is like my favorite bag anymore. And it comes with like a little matching like wristlet inside to help with like purse organization. And I just feel like this goes with everything I've been wearing lately. Big bags are so in right now. I feel like the Gossip Girl era, Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen era of having huge totes, that is the vibe right now. The next thing I got were these little boxers because I am in LA, so the weather goes from fall weather to really hot, but I really liked the plaid. I would totally style this with like a sweatshirt, some socks, and some loafers. I also saw this adorable matching set. First of all, it's maroon, and I've been really, really loving this color lately. So it comes with a bubble skirt and then like a bolero shawl with some shoulder pads. I love shoulder pads with clothing because it just makes it look like you've been in the gym. I also got button downs. I've been loving styling button downs tucked into high-waisted pants with a thick belt. I got this button down. She's like a topaz, burnt orange, velvety. And then I also got the same button down but in black. I feel like these colors just scream fall, but also with my everyday wardrobe, I'm always wearing button downs like over top my outfit when I'm running errands. I'll just like throw it over. Speaking of bubble skirts and velvet, I also saw this cute little black cocktail dress and it's literally a bubble skirt with a drop waist and a plunge neck and it's velvet and I'm obsessed. I actually could see myself repurposing this for Halloween. This with some pointed toe kitten heels is so cute. The last few items I'm gonna show you guys actually go really well together to make a really cute outfit. I also had this black turtleneck bodysuit on my mood board and I got it. I finally got it. I wanted like a really tight fitted black turtleneck bodysuit to wear under all my sets, and I also really wanted a black mini skirt. I found a mini skirt, which I love because it is on the shorter side. We're not going to be flashing anybody. And last but not least, I got this blazer, this slouchy blazer with shoulder pads. This is everything I wanted this season. I'm going to wear this literally with every outfit, and this all together is going to make the cutest outfit. Okay, to start this haul, I'm gonna show you guys the pillows. First things first, we got this orange pumpkin pillow. They also had the same pillow in hot pink. I'm obsessed with them together. The couch, you guys all comment on how comfy it looks. It's gonna look so even more comfier with all these pillows. I also realized my fall 2024 shopping is Halloween shopping. I am like just one of those Halloween girls. I feel like there's like the witch bitch autumn girls and then like the basic bitch autumn girls. I'm not like the other girls. I also saw these pillows at Target. They're not fall at all, actually. They're pastel, but they're like a muted pastel. This actually matches the living room really well. If you guys know, I have like a teal and like muted pink color palette. I don't really know what's in each bag. If I'm gonna be honest, I got a lot of random stuff, like a lot. I think the overall plan is to make it look just like vintage. I am not a minimalist, so the minimalist can go. I actually think I lean a little bit more maximalist. I like my cozy, cluttered little apartment. In this bag, we have this amazing neon orange pumpkin. I also found these glass pumpkins in the dollar section. I like these. I actually could see myself keeping these year round just because they're just, oh my god, do they light up? It lights up! Next in this bag is this cute little glass cauldron. This I think we're gonna use for storage. And it's lavender. I don't have a lot of lavender in here, so I'm happy about this. The next thing is an item Jules picked out. This is a pumpkin spice cupcake candle. This is like, it doesn't really match the aesthetic of the rest of the haul, but she smells good. Oh my god, oh my god. This is a good one. I found these coasters. If you guys watch my earlier moving to LA vlogs, I got really cute coasters at Walmart that kind of look like this, but they were like a summer color palette. I feel like I can switch out my coasters for these for fall because it has a little olive green in here. These feel heavy, like they're not gonna move anywhere. Next bag. I thought this cute little like felt homemade looking pumpkin thing was cute. I definitely got decorations my dad would have bought. So I really want to try something new. This may be a fail, but it might be awesome. You know how like they have those projectors that project up on houses or like garages? Well, I have a huge blank white wall in my bedroom, and I wanted to try putting this spotlight. It's like a orange spider spotlight on the wall, and I want to see how this turns out. It's gonna look really cool if it works. All right, time for the weird decorations. I know they're weird, but also like I've been watching a lot of 80s rom-coms and sci-fi movies, and I got this guy. My dad would be obsessed with this. Look at it. It's giving Halloween. I just think this is playful and fun, and like my inner child is like gonna wanna press this button and feel like it's Halloween. This is a trust the process video and a trust the process vlog. I swear I have a vision up here. I hope she comes together really well. Also, it's not to be taken that seriously. It's literally Halloween. Let the inner children come out. So I got another one of these pumpkins. I also got this little disco spider. I also got this. It lights up and it says boo. And then there's all these influencers being aesthetic fall girls, and then I'm like,
hey, why are you dressed so scary? It's Halloween.
I wonder what Gabby would think of my choice of decor. Since I've already shown you guys like the worst of my decorations, I don't feel so scared to show you guys this now. A lava lamp skull. This is kind of reminding me of Beetlejuice, honestly. I think that's what I'm trying to say. Like I'm going the Beetlejuice, like Tim Burton. Do you see the vision? I found another thing like the cauldron, but it's like a little ghost, and it's shiny and cute, and you can store anything in here. Next, me and Jules got this candle because we just completely burned out of our autumn harvest one. So we got the bourbon pumpkin. This smells really good. I got a little orange skull. Love the color of this. I got another candle. It's called Dolce at Dawn, and it smells like vanilla espresso and brown sugar. Oh my God, it literally smells like Sol de Janeiro. It's not really like fall smelling, but the packaging, the purple would look really cute with all the oranges that I have in this room. So I found these bowls, and I didn't realize that they were kids bowls, but I think these would work really well for like earrings and rings, to like store jewelry and stuff. I also got orange lights for the balcony. And I feel like at nighttime, this is gonna really give the vibes. I also saw these cups and I had to buy them because I make my sleepy girl cocktail at night, and I can't imagine drinking my magnesium drink, which is already purple, out of these Halloween cups. Like, and then last but not least, you guys saw me and Jules found matching flannel PJ bottoms, and I'm gonna wear these tonight. But yeah, that's the haul. I am exhausted. Something about shopping just like takes so much out of you. So Jules and I are gonna decorate tonight, put everything where we want to go, and then I'll give you guys a little apartment tour in the morning. Catch up with you guys.
Hello. Welcome to your apartment.
Gonna give me a tour?
Yeah. Hey, don't get lost. It's a pretty big place. So basically what we have going on here is vibes, 100% vibes. We have spiders on the ceiling so that you can have nightmares in the middle of the night. We have a bourbon pumpkin candle. Absolutely divine. If you're trying to romance someone.
Is that what you're gonna do with me in this bedroom with the bourbon candle?
We have Miss Pink Pumpkin here. You know, just one of these types of things, you know what I'm saying?
Got like a pink monochromatic theme in here, huh?
No, I'll do the talking.
Okay.
Other side of the bed, we have another candle. This one's gonna be Dolce at Dawn. And then we have, you know, of course, the typical skeleton. You know, not much to say about that. And then if you follow me over here into the living room, we're gonna go with 2 fuzzy pumpkins beside the TV. Just, you know, when you're watching something, you can't forget that it's Halloween coming up. You don't want to lose sight of what's really coming up. We got a disco spider, giving AI. It's giving Elon Musk. We have light up pumpkins that Nikki couldn't live without because they're pink and blue.
And they're from the dollar section.
They're $3 each. We got some new coasters. You know, get a whiff of that really quick. You smell that? And then we're gonna make our way over to the couch where, yeah, there's some pillows that we already had here, but we're gonna take a look at what's going on in the middle here. We've got a pumpkin, a pillow, just like the one on the bed, but this one's orange. They really know what they're doing at Target there.
Why don't we go to the kitchen? That's
where I'm headed.
She has some opinions on all this.
So this bad boy has a couple different features. I prefer the silent feature. I'll show you what it sounds like when it's really loud. And I just can't live like that because that's what it sounds like in my head already. And then we got, you know, I have to turn it on. And then we got, you know, the lava lamp, of course, you know, spinning head. This is what it looks like inside my brain.
It's honestly giving Beetlejuice.
Good representation. Boo bitch. And then, you know, we snuck some candy into these little guys. So
Oh, you did? I didn't know you did this.
yeah, so we got some Reese's on deck. Reese's on deck. And then if you take a look inside the cauldron here, we got some more Reese's on deck. Yes, I did. We got one last thing, and it's kind of
it's
kind of a half-assed job because somebody only bought one box of lights.
I didn't realize.
Take a look.
It's also like a party
And
going
that's
on.
it.
Yeah, there's like a
So-
party going on outside. We only had enough for this corner. We have to buy more light to put over here.
But it smells so good in here. It smells
literally
like
does.
fall. It's really just a little fall cave. I mean, it couldn't get better than this. It really couldn't. It's freaking bats.
It's freaking bats. I love Halloween.
And that's on Halloween.
So yeah, that is my apartment. It is so cozy in here. I am like literally so happy. Yeah, that was this video. I had a lot of fun with this. This apartment is a lot of fun. Comment down below what you guys want to see for fall or Halloween. I'm definitely like feeling it this year really hard. Now we have to figure out if we're gonna go to Halloween Horror Nights or not. I'm tired, but I also kind of want to rally. But I love you guys so much. Be sure to subscribe, press the bell, and like and comment. Comment down below what your favorite decor was and if you approved of the theme. I feel like lately I've really been being myself. Like I haven't been as anal and concerned with like what people think of my aesthetic, which has been allowing me to really be myself with how I decorate, how I dress, and it's really freeing. But I also am very well aware that how I decorate this apartment is not everybody's cup of tea. Some people are gonna love it, some people are gonna fucking hate it, and I'm very well aware of that. I love it, and that's all that matters. And that's on period, and that's on getting older and not giving a fuck anymore and just trying to be happy, trying to make yourself happy. I love you guys so much. Press the bell, subscribe, follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I post like literally all the time. And I love you guys so much. Thanks for keeping up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm also taking requests for fall videos, but I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Let's go to